So today we've had the third meeting of the working group that's working on the report, and we've followed that with our second seminar, which is on the theme of social science and government and policy making. And I think there's quite a lot of consensus around the direction of the report and the shape that it's taking and the structure, and where there are differences between group members, I think that they're always very constructive. The pre-election report, I think, is important for providing a single voice for all of the social sciences in that debate about the future of research funding, about the future of higher education finance, and about the future of evidence-based policy.
Well, the pre-election report is a chance to articulate the scale and the importance of social science in our economy, in our society. I think it's a chance to cast our eyes forward a little bit to the medium and long term, and put the point across that actually economies that don't invest in social science and nurture social science are risking running into problems in the longer term.
Social science is extremely important for politicians to inform them of the trends, dynamics in society, the impact of policies, their likely effectiveness, what will work and what doesn't work, and in particular something they're should be concerned about, to save them from their own unintended consequences when their policies have effects which they didn't anticipate and are very unwelcome.
And also it's a chance to think about the infrastructure around social science. How do we develop the administrative infrastructure, the leadership, the profile of it in government and on a wider scale?
What unites the social sciences is strong and important, and differences between the social sciences are quite small in the grand scheme of things. So we face quite big challenges in the funding of higher education, in the funding of research, and in the way that we organise the sort of science and innovation system in the UK. And I think it's really important that there is a social science voice inputting into those sorts of debates and discussions about priorities and about resources.
The Academy of Social Science brings together social scientists and said, well, look, how do we actually communicate our contribution better so that people understand it and so that it's fully recognised in the allocations and what are going to be tougher times ahead.